Hello, in this video I'm going to show how you can make captions in Clipchamp. So first I'm going to show how you can use automatic captions, so you won't even have to manually put them in, and it will just recognize what you're saying from your voice. So first I'm going to click on this, captions, and then make sure this is selected. When selected, you can just click turn on auto captions. It should take a little while, but because I already did it, it showed up very quickly. But as you can see, all the captions are here. And once I click play, you'll see that it actually works. So as you can see, it automatically comes up with the captions. Unfortunately, you can't really customize this like you can in apps like CapCut. You can't really customize the font or the colors, anything like that. You're kind of just left with this. I don't think you can even move the caption to a certain spot, but I think it's still an improvement from how it used to be. It used to be where it didn't really pick up what I was saying very well, but now it looks like it's improved a lot. So now I'm going to talk about the manual captions. And for the manual captions, you basically have to go to text, and then as you can see, there's lots of different texts. But down here, in the caption category, you can see all the different captions. Even when the automatic captions are on, it still doesn't detect it, so you just have to manually put it in. That's the same for all of these. Oh, and these manual ones, you can customize a lot more. You can customize the background, you can customize the font color, you can customize all these different fonts. And yeah, this is where you customize the actual words there. And here's just some other effects here, of course. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you in some way.